Today, I'm going to share with you a simple, straightforward guide on how to win your first freelancing project. When you start freelancing, you may have a particular set of skills. You may be an excellent writer, a proficient graphic designer, or a wizard and skilled programmer. These skills are your strengths, your primary tools to secure freelance projects. Or maybe you don't have any skills. Everything is overwhelming and you don't know where to start at all. This video is for you then. Obviously, if you didn't yet, the first thing that you need to do is to register, but I won't cover that today. If you are afraid that you are lacking in skills or don't have any at all, in the world of freelancing, there is a concept called drop servicing. In this concept, you basically act like a bridge between the client and other professionals who can perform that work for you. You receive the projects and then you distribute the work among experts in the field. For example, if you have no skills, you can learn how to communicate effectively, find work, and then find a skilled freelancer to execute this work for you. Through drop servicing, you can accept a broad range of projects, even those outside your primary skill set. You can collaborate with other professionals and learn from them. Platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr are full of skilled professionals who can do brilliant jobs. You can connect with them and start your drop servicing career. By doing this, you can increase your portfolio, attract more clients, and even learn new skills. Do you realize how great this is? With this method, you can have zero skills and design brilliant projects, create great web and mobile apps, or maybe work on content delivery. The world is your playground. To win your first freelancing project, you need to fully stand out from the crowd. And to do that, you need to capture the client's attention and offer them something that they cannot refuse and that is unique. I will speak later about profiles, but in general, there are two ways to achieve this. Through a strong hook in your proposals or on your profiles, or by offering additional value. When you write your proposals, start with a powerful opening line. This is your hook. It should be something that screams, "Look at me." Remember, your hook is the first things clients will see, so it needs to impress them. Next, think about how you can add value to your services. This could be anything from offering like a 15% discount for first-time clients, delivering the project ahead of schedule, or providing extra services at no additional cost. When clients see that they are getting more than what they are paying for, they will be craving for your services and they are more likely to hire you. One of the fastest ways to win your first freelancing project or first freelancing review is by inviting your existing clients to the freelancing platform. If you have worked with clients outside the platform, ask them to hire you through the platform and leave a review. Having positive reviews on your profile boosts your credibility and makes it so much easier to secure more projects. This can be a new client you get, an existing or previous one, or maybe even ask around to perform a short paid service to someone you know, and ask them if they are willing to pay you and if they are willing to leave you a nice review. Remember, all of the platforms will quickly find out if you are scamming them, so it's super important to perform an actual and genuine work. Communication is key in freelancing. How you communicate with clients can make or break your chances of getting or winning your project. Spend some time improving your communication skills. I'm a massive believer that if you spend, let's say, at least a week of focused work on YouTube, you will easily learn how to write persuasive proposals, how to negotiate effectively, and how to handle client communication professionally. This will not only help you win your first project, but also establish a solid foundation for your freelancing career. So, I know it's not easy, but it's time to invest in yourself. Winning your first freelancing project also depends heavily on three things: your portfolio, your profile, and your bids. I speak in depth about these on my profile, so make sure to check them out, but today, let's also give you a brief overview. Your portfolio showcases your skills and previous work. It gives potential clients an overview of what you can actually do. If you are new to freelancing and you don't have any work to show, I have you covered. In my videos, I talk in depth about using tools like Sharpen to practice your skills and about various ways to master the craft. I also talk about profiles, how you can highlight your skills to all of your potential clients, and how your profile can serve as your business cards. I talk exactly how many and what words you should use, what should be your opening line, and in general, how you can master the act of standing out. Lastly, I have created a full video on how you can win 5 times more projects than your competitors by implementing these well-crafted tactics, and that video can be found right here. If you like this, please hit like and I'll see you in the next one.